My name is Osanya Kachi, your math teacher. What we'll be doing today is trigonometry. Trigonometry. So we have three trigonometrical ratios, which is mainly which is sine, we have cos, and we have sine A, and then cosine, then we have tangent. But first of all, we'll be treating tangent angles or tangent of an angle. That's the first thing we'll be treating. Out of the three, we'll be treating tangent of an angle. So finding or tangent of an angle, tangent of an angle. You don't talk about tangent if you don't have anything called right angle triangle. Once you have something called right angle triangle, a triangle of this shape, you have 90 degrees here. In this case, this is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the longest side in a right angle triangle, and these sides are called either the adjacent or the opposites. But depending on where the angle is, if your angle is here, let's say theta, this side is opposite to this angle. This side is facing the angle. That's what they are saying, opposite. And when they say opposite, it may just see as if it's a big English. This side is facing the angle, and the bottom now is the adjacent. The bottom now is the adjacent of this angle. If your angle is here, if we take this angle to this point, this one that is facing the angle is the opposite, and this side that is not facing it is the adjacent. So that's the major thing about a right angle triangle. So, but for you to solve a right angle triangle using tangent or tangent of an angle, finding an angle using tangent, you have to always remember these two things. Or like I told you, you have this. Here is 90, you have theta here. When you have theta, then tan theta, the tan of this theta is opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. That's the tan of this angle. So if you have, let's say you are given something like 5 here, and here is 6. So tan theta is equal to 5 over 6. That is what we are talking about. That's all. So, but we'll go into other forms. Another way to solve tan theta. But let's go, instead of wasting time. You can also solve tan theta using drawing scale. If you are given, let's say, tan 30, and 30. To solve tan 30 using sorry, I wrote tan theta instead of tan 30. Tan 30 using drawing scale or use kind of measurement. The first thing you will do is to draw a line, draw a horizontal line. You put your protractor at this point, measure 30 degrees starting from 0. When you start from 0, at the right hand side, your count to give you 30 degrees. And when it gives you 30 degrees, it will be something like this. A bit something like this. This is a freehand sketch. A freehand sketch. Here is A. We know that here is 30. We call here X. And this place Y. So, at this point now, if we continue, you measure from here to any point. Don't take it to the last place. Measure from here, say 10 meters or 10 cm. Sorry, 10 cm. Let's say our 10 cm is here. You measure it from here to here, 10 cm. You have 10 cm. Call this place B. Call it B. When you call it B, what you will do again is you draw a line from here, from B now, to meet this AY at C. You have measured this as 10 cm. You also measure this one. Let's say this one gave us, I'm not measuring, please, but try to measure. This one gave us 5 points. Let's say 5.8. If this one has given us 5.8, the next thing you will do, like we know now, tan theta is opposite over adjacent. So you have tan theta, tan 30, it's no longer tan theta, is equal to our opposite now. This is what is facing the angle. So you have 5.8, remember it's opposite over adjacent, all over 10. So 5.8 divided by 10. So the next thing you will do, now is tan 30 equal to 5.8 divided by 10 will give us 0.58. How did I do it? Let's use this. You have 5.8, you have 10. 5.8 divided by this will not go. You put 0 here, put your point. And when you put your point, this one will turn to 58. 58. Then when it's 58, you divide 58 by 10. 58 divided by 10 will give me 5. So 58 divided by this will give me 5. Then this will be 80. 80 divided by this will give me 8. Don't want us, my marker is giving me headache. I don't want to write it down. So, but this is how we got 0.58. So, I'll give you something to do at home. Let me not bombard you with lessons and questions so that it will be a bit easy for you to do. Remember the first thing I did when you are given an angle. First of all, what you will do is you draw a horizontal line. When you draw the horizontal line, you measure with your protractor 30, let's say the one I'm solving now, 30 degrees. When you measure 30 degrees, then you draw the slant line, that is AY. When you have finished drawing the first AY, then you come from here, from A, you measure to AB, any centimeter of your choice, but just do it something that can be divisible, 10, 22, something like that, that we can easily divide. So you join from B to C. You draw a line from B to C. When you have done that, you measure BC. When you measure BC, you write it. Then from here now you have, from what I have, 1030 is equal to 5.8 divided by 10. And when you divide it, you will have, sorry, I have cleaned my answer. You will have 10 theta equal to 0.58 as your answer. That will be your answer. So please be counting the videos, the assignments I'm giving you. What you will do for me, you go to exercise 20.1. The question said, by drawing a measurement, find the value of tan 25, 45, and 50. By drawing a measurement, find the value of tan 25, 45, and 50. So I'll be waiting on Friday, or probably next week, to get all the assignments you have been given. So please stay safe and stay healthy. In our next lesson, we'll be doing more solvings. Please take them one after the other, gradually. So we don't want to rush anything.